This one as well. This is real. So they dry it and debone it and turn it into a stew. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are on another adventure. This is Harare's main city center. You can see the common feature is the traffic jams, but there was no other way we can get to where we were heading. We are on our way to Longchan, and I know some of you have heard of this place. Yes, we are heading there. We heard that there is a popular Chinese shop that sells mainly real animal products. In this case, I wanted to see for myself because I heard they do have elephant feet chairs. I wanted to go and see these chairs for myself. So come along with me. Let's head over there. A kindergarten there. Yes, this one you can see with the drawings. That's it. Now we are going to the famous Longchan Mall here. The road is not great. It's a Chinese mall. Yes, so there's many Chinese people there. That orange building, yes. So they say it's very. Yes, you see Chinese. The roads in Zimbabwe. Another potholes. Yes, potholes everywhere. Yeah.
No one fix it.
Nobody fixed it. So maybe after the elections, people will fix this new government, or that's the common feature. This is the road. Yeah. Let's go. We are actually going to enter through this road. Longchan. We are here. What? The what?
Insects.
Insects there, right?
Yeah.
Because it's near the water. Yes. And where are we going? To the casino. We are going to the casino. Marina Harare. Oh. Yes. So we are going there. Longchan. Welcome to Longchan. Okay. This is a very popular place. We found a real elephant food. Look at this, y'all. There are actually two of them, right? This one as well. This is real. So they dry it and debone it and turn it into a stew. Wow. And all the leather bags you see here are genuine leather bags, ranging from $450 upwards. Actually, by just entering the door, you can smell real leather. It's really cute. Look at that. So these are made out of crocodile skin, right? Wow. These are crocodile skin bags. Everything here is more like made of crocodile. It's crocodile skin. Look at these bags. You'll be buying crocodile skin made bags. The shop is full of those bags. I can imagine how many crocodiles made these bags. Many, I guess. The shop has been run by a Chinese national who's been living in Zimbabwe for the past 30 years. According to her, it's just a few years in Zimbabwe. We decided to take a stopover at this shop, supermarket kind of, to buy our home supplies. What surprised me is that in this shop they only take US dollars. None other than that, the Zimbabwean currency is not recognized. This time we were headed on to another location, Avodo Shopping Center. Here we wanted to go find or go buy some artwork. We have there amazing artwork we can find there. So we were ready to tackle the traffic again, and I was behind the wheel on our way to Avodo Shopping Center.
And this bridge you can take up there, and this common feature, yes, that is the
like
road.
a cross.
Yes, and it goes across like this. Huh? In the Monum Tapa Hotel. Baba. I don't think so. These are banks. Huh? Why is it on the other side of the road?
Oh my gosh, just running the car. Oh my god.
After the car. He's just running.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
There's
Another one. Yeah, another one.
They enjoy doing that.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know.
Oh,
Maybe he wants to
why?
take that car. Maybe they just. So people will drop here to go there. There. From here, this one, it's part of that Parenyatwa Central Hospital. This is one of the major hospitals in Zimbabwe. It's a government hospital, so all this area, there, yes, Parenyatwa Hospital. Yes, this is one of the major hospitals in Zimbabwe. It's all part of it. We are done. We are at Avodo Shopping Center now.
Okay.
Yes, shopping center is this side. This side. Oh, we came and parked ourselves behind this door.
To be continued. Up next will be what we bought at Avondale Shopping Center. Now, if you're one of the few that have reached to this end, thank you so much for watching and subscribing to my channel. I'd like to end this video by giving you a virtual high five and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell for the next video, whereby I will be sharing with you what we got at Avondo Shopping Center.
Now we are leaving
Goodbye and thank you.